yesterday because every first of the month, Ramos, I get paid. And Miss Erica, the front office lady, she gave me my check stub. Sorry. Pretty good check. It's right at the bottom. You can't see it, but I got paid a good amount. But so look at right there. So you can't see that. I'm not going to let you see how much I make, but so this is how much. This is what I make right here on the upper right. So right here on the upper right is what I make. And then look at right here, this big old column. You taking a picture of that, Ramos? Or Albert? He's gonna post on social media. Look at what Mungia makes. No. So this is how much they take out of my check right here. Look at it. Look at all that right here on this part. There's like a bunch of stuff that's being taken out of my check, and one of them is federal taxes. It's called FWT. Guess how much they took out of my federal taxes?
400.
500.
600. 800.
1,000. Oh.
800.
$729.
Ooh.
I had to pay just the federal income tax. For the state of California, they took out $244. For my union dues, they took out $117. For my health insurance, they took out $1,000. For my dental insurance, they took out $80. That's just this is stuff they're just taking out. So this is stuff they take out from my income. So the stuff I get to take home is what we call the net pay. That's right here at the bottom. I'm not going to show you because you'll make fun of me.
Why would we do that?
So you guys are students.
We
The job. Look at the job.
Judge.
The job. The job of students is to make fun of teachers. That's your job. You get paid to do that. Honestly. But all that to say, the federal income tax took out $730 from my check. Now, what is that used for? The ed puzzle is going to get into what that's used for. And yesterday you kind of got that website told you what it's used for. But let me show you what they did, how they determined to take out 730. Why not 750? Why not 600? What did they do with me to take out $730? Okay. Go ahead and write down example 1. Not example 2. Go ahead and write example 1 on your notes. Go ahead and entitle your notes FIT, which is short for federal income tax. We're only going to go do two examples and we're done. This is how easy it is. This is a very easy lesson. You're going to laugh. I think you'll laugh, but it's very, very easy. Trust me, trust me, trust me. Miss Lopez,
Yeah.
the way the government figures out how much federal income tax is withheld, think about withheld. Here's my check in my hand. This is right here is what's withheld from me. It could have been in my hand, but they withheld it. Okay, so how much federal income tax was withheld from Angie if she made this? Look at what. All we're gonna do is look at a table.
Mister, you're like $30. I just saw.
One more time.
You're like $30.
$30. You hear that, YouTube? Alvarez thinks I earned $30. All right, see if he gets a stamp today. No, just kidding.
Oh, what?
I'm just playing. Watch this. So on C31, there's a table there, a federal income tax table. Let's see where Angie lands on that table, and we're done. That's it. Watch. Looks like this. You don't have to look at yours right now, just watch me do it. Okay? The first 2 pages are for single people, like Alvarez. Just kidding.
Yeah.
What? You're single?
You cut me out on the whole entire internet.
Sorry. But you're gonna have he's gonna have a son, don't worry. Or a child. So you can get some. The last 2 are for married people. That's me. Angie has said she's single and claims 2 allowances. So why she's claiming 2 allowances? She may have a child, a couple kids. She may be taking care of her grandma or her mom. And the federal government will allow you, if you're taking care of someone, those are allowances. So how much is going to be withheld from her paycheck if she gets paid $435.95? Watch this. Let me go back to the table. Look how easy this is. So let me go up to the single people. And look at the columns here, the first 2 columns. If the wages are at least this amount, but less than that amount. So let's see where Angie is. 435. Okay, here we are. So Angie is going to be right here. She makes at least 430, but less than 440. You with me? So this first column right here is 0 allowances. See, look at the number of withholding allowances claimed. She's claiming not 0, not 1, but she's claiming 2 allowances. So I'm looking at the 3rd column now. See, there's 2. 0, 1, 2. So let's go back down to where Angie was. Right here. If she had no kids, no allowances, they would have taken $50 from her check, the federal income tax, the feds. If she claims 1 allowance, it's $41. Notice more allowances, less money they take.
Yo,
So you want more kids.
I have 3.
Nice. She's claiming 2. So the federal income tax withheld from her check is going to be $31. Was that hard? That's it. Told you today is going to be easy. Look at it. $31 is going to be withheld from her check. So she's not going to take $435 home. It's going to be that minus that, but some other things too. Other things too. We're going to get into the other things they take out also. Question? Go ahead.
No, she'll take 404 then?
Something like that, but there's all state taxes we haven't gone over, Medicare, Social Security. If she has health insurance, like I do, exactly. That's why you should start get serious about what you're going to do after high school. It's not a game out there. You don't want to be scrounging all the time. That's why I said you've been a little mocoso. Everyone's saying, what are you going to do? Be serious about your future. Plan. Do good in school. All that stuff. It's coming like a freight train. Take it seriously. All right, last example. This is so easy, I'm only going to do 2 examples. Okay, here we go. All right. Where's that gizmo? Here we
What's
go.
there about ice cream?
Here's example 2. What about ice cream?
I saw ice cream. I don't know why.
I think it was a different example. Go and write number 2 down. Does anybody else want her to drop that? 1, 2, 3. 3 people? Okay. Actually pretty good stuff here. Let's finish this then, we'll pass them out. All right. He's single, 688. Again, that table is on C31. So let's look, he's got one, he's claiming one allowance, so here we go, 688. So we're still in the single. 688 is right here. Right? Where are we at? Here we are, this one.
And then how much here?
688.
Is that?
Did it say 688? 688? Yeah. So, 0 allowance, 1 allowance, there it is, 1 allowance. So $78. That's how much is withheld for federal income tax. So all today's lesson is just learn how to use a table. You gotta be kidding me. Easy. I'm done for now.